everyone, I just wanted to share one of the top seafood places in Guam, which is called Crab Daddy. It's a pretty popular place and they have a location in Tumon, which is where we're at, and another place in Hagatnya, Guam. It is known for its hands-on seafood boil, which is really delicious. It's a little bit spicy. You can ask for medium spice, mild, or spicy. And they have other things on the menu as well.
King crab. Big crab.
It's all about the social vibe and seafood boil experience here at Crab Daddy. You can choose from shrimp, king crab, mussels, scallops, corn, and potatoes, which are all tossed together. There's also crawfish, and they are all tossed together in one sauce. It's a Cajun sauce, and it's delicious. We're back here again. This is our second time at Crab Daddy. We're ordering the same food, but 2 seafood boils this time, so we can bring some home. And then you can actually just cook some shrimp and then add your seafood boil sauce, and it'll taste exactly the same. There's some other items on the menu that are not seafood boil, which are like chicken wings, garlic pasta. We ordered crispy chicken strips right there. You can see the 2 seafood boil that we ordered. We also ordered sweet potato fries, which are good, and also the garlic shrimp pasta. If you love seafood like we do, Crab Daddy is highly recommended. Thanks for watching.